Rugged phones are designed for specialized purposes, and for that reason, rugged phones are the best ways to test out new tech. One of the most memorable ones is Doogee's S96 GT. But before we start, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon notification for more review videos. Doogee S96 GT, clearer, faster, and more rugged phone. It comes with stunning color combination in a special sunshine and limited yellow gold edition variant, bringing a vibrant, unique element of life to a rugged phone. It will provide you super protection over 50% metal bodies. The S96 GT is a truly rugged phone. Its tough credentials include MIL Spec 810H and IP68 and IP69K water and dust resistant certified, scratch resistant screen with Corning Gorilla Glass. The advanced sealing technology and solid structure make the Doogee S96 GT more than simply a splash-proof function. Doogee S96 GT will feature a 6.22-inch display along with a 720 by 1520 resolution screen. It comes with AI quad camera, includes a 48-megapixel main lens, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel macro, and 20-megapixel dedicated night vision camera. The S96 GT will come with a new and improved capability to capture anything within a 15-meter range. There are 4 LEDs for the primary camera setup and 4 for the night sensor. The extraordinary Samsung S5 KGM1SE sensor and integrated 3D HDR technology can capture clear and detailed video in 4K ultra-high resolution. You can capture excellent videos with Doogee S96 GT in any environment. The new set of upgraded high-definition 32MP front camera makes Doogee the highest pixel selfie camera ever. The 90 degrees ultra-wide angle and BST's advanced beauty algorithm make you still beautiful even in the crowd. Doogee S96 GT comes with the cutting-edge MediaTek Helio G95 chipset. With 8GB RAM and 256GB of Samsung UFS storage, the S96 GT excels at multitasking. 8GB RAM running smoothly and reliably fast for multitasking, while 256GB ROM allows you to keep more things than you expect. Built-in 360 degrees recognition sensor, Doogee S96 GT supports unidirectional recognition of 10 fingers, whether it is playing games or browsing files. Doogee S96 GT comes with longer, safer, faster of 6,350 mAh large battery. The battery can last up to 2 days. Within an hour, you can refuel the battery up to 50% with the 12V charger system. The custom key on the left side of Doogee S96 GT can be optionally set as quick access to recording, flashlight, screenshot, SOS, or your regularly used apps. You can easily run them with a single press. With global frequency bands supported, the Doogee S96 GT becomes a true global phone, which means you can use global areas over the world. Product purchase link is mentioned in the description. Please visit and get yours. Please also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product reviews.